Hi, welcome to Cornwall College. My name is Joe Southern. I will be one of your lecturers while you're on the PMO apprenticeship. Cornwall College specialises in vocational courses, and this being one of them, and we pride ourselves in that. As an apprentice, you'll have a great opportunity to be able to learn on site while getting paid, and then coming in with us one day a week to underpin your knowledge with 50% theory and then 50% practical. You'll be based in this workshop here, as well as using other facilities within the college to be able to undertake your assessments. While on the PMO course, you'll have a great opportunity of trying lots of different trades out, which include brickwork, wood trades, plastering, painting and decorating, electrical, plumbing, as well as trying out some roof techniques as well. Brickwork, which you'll learn everything from maintaining and replacing bricks and weather damage work to setting out new structures and completing a build. You'll learn other things as well as risk assessment, maintaining tools, and codes of practice. You'll also have chance of learning plastering skills, which is covering patching and repair, rendering and float cuts, finish plaster, as well as other techniques that will help you in this trade. You'll also get a chance of being able to learn tiling as well as painting and decorating. On the PMO course, you'll also have the opportunity of learning roofing techniques. On the PMO course, you'll also get a chance of trying out wood trades. So you'll be learning things from boxing in to flooring, as well as stud walls and roofing tech. You'll also get a chance of being able to do some electrical work. And last of all, you'll be able to undertake some plumbing work as well.